All right, so yes, now we are at part D. It says find the sets A and B if you have A minus B being equal to 1, 5, 7, 8. And then you have B minus A being equal to 2, 10. Then you have A intersection B being equal to 3, 6, 9. So this is so easy, right? If we say we have A minus B, that means we have A and it's meeting with B prime, okay? It should be in A but out of B. If we say B minus A, okay, this is A minus B. B minus A is the same as it should be in B and not in A. Okay, so in here we have A and not in B, then we have B and not in A. That is this B minus A. It is in B but not in A. Okay, so we have B which is not in A, then we have A which is not in B, then we have which is both A and B. So that is so easy. That means if you want to find A, if you've got A minus B, what does it mean when we say you have A minus B? It means you have A, something which is in A but not in B. And then now you can join it with what is in A and in B. Then now you can have the whole of A. So you can say A minus B plus, okay, union with A intersection B. This is going to be your A. You understand? If you join them, you would get your A. So how do you get your A? You'd say A minus B. A is equal to A minus B. We combine what is in A but not in B. We combine it with what is in both A and B. Okay? We want what is A but not in B, and then what is A and also in B. We want them both. When we combine them, then we will have the whole of A. A but not in B, and A and also in B. You understand? Yes. So now when we do that, what do we get? We start with 1. We are combining this first one and this last one. We start with 1. Is it in either one of them? Yes. We go to 2. 2 is not in any of them. We go to 3. Yes, 3 is in A intersection B, so we take. 4 is not in any of them. 5, yes, 5 is in A minus B, so we take. 6, yes, 6 is in A intersection B, we take. 7, yes, 7 is in is in A minus B, which means it's in A but not in B. 8, yes, 8 is in A minus B. 9, yes, 9 is in A intersection B. Then here we have the whole of A. So we can say it is equal to, I can put it down here and say 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is going to be our set A. That is what A is equal to. Then now we can do the second part. The second part now, what would we do? We can now say we want to find B, set B. What do we combine without looking? We combine B but not in A. We are combining it with both in A and B. Okay, we started with B but not in A. Then we want B and A together, so A intersection B. We start with B but not in A. What is, we can start with we can list the set now. Let's list it. We are combining B minus A and A intersection B. So what is B minus A? We're combining these two here. We start with 1. Is it in any of them? No. 2, yes, 2 is in B minus A, we put, comma. 3, yes, 3 is in A intersection B, so we put. 4, no, 4 is in neither. 5 is in neither. 6, yes, 6 is in A and B. It's in both. 7, no. 8, no. 9, yes, 9 is in A intersection B. Then 10, yes, 10 is in B minus A. So here we have them, and this would be your set B. You would be done. That is how you do it, and this is the solution. Goodbye.